Today's video is sponsored by the best player in Europe. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node after. Bring a particle emitter node in empty space. Go to the Region tab, and change the region to bitmap. Connect your clip to the yellow point of the emitter. Add a particle render node after, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Select the emitter node, go to the Style tab, and change the style to blob. Go to the Controls tab, set the number slider to 500, and the lifetime to 30. Increase the position variance slider. Open the Velocity menu, and increase the velocity slider. Go to the Style tab, open the Color menu, under the Color over Life controls, and choose the first color. Add a point at the end, and choose your second color. Open the Size controls and increase the size slider. As you can see, this looks pretty ugly. Well done. Go to the Region tab, change the channel to luminance, and adjust the low and high point to isolate the parts that you want. Once you are satisfied, bring a turbulence node after the emitter. Pretend that you know exactly what you are doing, and randomly increase the sliders. Select the render node, add a blur node after, and increase the blur slider. Bring a soft glow node after the blur, and adjust the sliders to your liking. If you are too dumb to make your own effects, go get my pack and give me all your money.